Hello everyone, in this video we will see how we are trading the Nifty weekly hedging strategy for FY 20 and 21. Here is the community point distribution, and till date we collected close to 350 plus points trading Nifty weekly hedging strategy. Coming to the weekly point distribution, we traded totally 13 trades, out of which 4 trades we have lost. So coming to the monthly profits, till date we collected close to 10.15% trading Nifty weekly hedging strategy. So let us see in console how much profit did we achieve with Nifty weekly hedging strategy. So let's see the reports of P&L. How much did we earn by trading the Nifty weekly hedging strategy? Let's go to P&L and let's select future and options. So let us see what is our profit from April 2020 to till date. So here is our P&L, where you can see till date we collected close to 52,930. The charges were around 4,290. So we have spent almost 2,300 for brokerage, and the realized profit is around 48,635. So I'm still owning some of the positions. So here are some of the trades. Well, as you can see, from April 2020 to till date, we are trading Nifty weekly hedging strategy, and with strategy we achieved close to 10.15% within 3 months. Although we had 4 big losses, but still we could able to manage to gain 10% within 3 months of trading Nifty weekly hedging strategy. So let us see in detail how are we trading the Nifty weekly hedging strategy. Nifty weekly hedging summary for 11 June 2020 expiry. So for 11 June, the Nifty was trading around 10,168. So here was our analysis for 11 June. Based on the open interest and also the futures data, we predicted there can be a moderate bullish momentum for the coming week. So based on that, we put up a strategy where we sold 10,000 put for 11 June. We sold 10,500 call for 11 June, and we hedged it with monthly options. So here was a payoff diagram. So let us see how did the Nifty traded till 11th of June. Here is a hourly chart where you can see the Nifty gapped up, consolidated and expired at 9,990 on 11th of June expiry. So as we sold some contracts and we bought some contracts, here is on P&L. So as you can see, we collected close to 10,155 on 11th of June. The profit was almost 2.01% of the capital engaged. As the Nifty consolidated around 10,000 level, we collected profits for 11 June. So let us see how did we trade the Nifty for 18th of June expiry. So here is our hourly chart for the Nifty, where you can see on 18th of June, the Nifty was trading around 9,958. So based on our analysis, we put up a strategy where we sold 9,900 call of 18 June and we bought 9,900 call of 25th June. So let's see how the Nifty traded till 18th of June. So here is our hourly chart where you can see Nifty consolidated in the range of 9,900 till the expiry, as we put up a strategy in such a way that we collected profit close to 11,895 in the selling strategy, so which was 2.37% of the capital engaged. Nifty weekly hedging summary for 25th of June 2020 expiry. So here is a hourly chart of Nifty, where you can see for the 25th June expiry, the Nifty was trading around 10,250. And based on the options chain FI data, we put up analysis where we sold 10,200 call of 25th June and we bought it 9,900 call of 25th June and 10,500 call of 25th June. So here was a payoff of our strategy. If the Nifty consolidates in this range, we would be profitable. So let us see how the Nifty traded till 25th of June. Here is a hourly chart where you can see on Monday the Nifty gapped up and broke our key level of resistance. That's the reason we booked a loss in this strategy. The loss was almost 5,796 in the selling strategy, which was almost 1.15% of the capital engaged. So let us see how did we trade Nifty for 2nd of July 2020 expiry. Here is our hourly chart. The Nifty was trading around 10,400. So we analyze options chain. In options chain, at 10,500 was indicating a strong resistance and we had a support at 10,000. So based on our analysis and our market sentiment analyzer, we're indicating a moderate bearish momentum in the coming week. So based on that, we put up a bearish spread where we sold 10,200 call and we bought 10,400 call of 9 July. So here was a payoff analysis. So let's see how the Nifty traded till 2nd of July. Here is a weekly chart where in our strategy we wanted Nifty to come down below 10,400, but on 1st of July it broke the level of 10,400, which was a key resistance level. So that's the reason we booked the loss in this strategy. The loss was almost 11,640 as we risked around 3,000 per lot with Nifty weekly hedging strategy for 2nd of July. So we lost almost 2.32% of the capital engaged. So let us summarize the Nifty weekly hedging summary. As you can see, till date we collected close to 350 plus points trading Nifty weekly hedging strategy. And coming to the monthly profits, we collected close to 10.15% within 3 months. So as you saw, just by following the Nifty weekly hedging strategies, till date we could able to collect 10% within 3 months. And also we are managing our risk with the proper risk defined strategies. So if you want to learn how to manage the risk with Nifty weekly hedging strategies, you can register for a free course on tradepsychology.com. Thank you.